You're welcome to my channel. This is VsmDesigns. Today we are going to learn how to make this stylish pocket design with a fancy pleat. Please do well to give this video a thumbs up, share to your friends and family, and if you are new to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button right below this video and turn on the notification bell so that when next I upload a video, you will be the first to be notified. If you are a returning fan, thank you for checking back. Now let's go straight to today's business. I have already cut my gum to my desired shape and dimensions. So I'm going to mark off half an inch from here. I am marking this on the front part of the gum. I'll also mark half an inch here. Then I will connect the two lines. I will also connect it this way. This is 1.5 inches. And this is also 1.5 inches. I'm trying to form a box here. I'm going to make it 2 inches and 2 inches. Remember that this is not a constant dimension. It's based on the size of your pocket. Like this one, this is a 5 by 6 inches pocket. So if your pocket is less, this very box will definitely be less. So I'm going to make here to be curvy. I will also turn it and make this other end to be curvy as well. Just use freehand sketch to smoothen it. Then I also want to give it a shape in this very place, and I want to make it just 1/4 of an inch from 1 to here. 1/4. Then I will connect it. I will do the same thing on the other side. 1/4 of an inch. I also connect it to make sure it has a slightly curvy shape. Then I will go ahead and cut off the area. This is the fabric I'm going to gum it on. I've just gummed it, and I'm going to trim off these excesses. I'm notching this curvy part. Make sure you are not notching it up to the gum. This is what I'm going to use as combination on the center pocket. I'm going to place it face to face with the pocket. Then I will run thread from here. I'm running the thread on top of the gum, but just very small, very tiny. But make sure you are running it on top of that gum. If you don't run it on top of the gum, it will not give you what you are looking for. But make sure that you are not giving much allowance here. It's just as tiny as possible. It should not be up to 1/8 of an inch. Just as tiny as you can. I'm actually hand rolling this curvy part to make sure that I get what I want. You can obviously see that the threading is quite very tiny. Let's trim off the excess fabric at the center of the pocket. You notch this part and also notch here. So we are going to the table now to turn the combination. Obviously you need to trim off some part of the combination fabric. So I will first of all heat up the area and apply my sliced hemming gum so that we will not have difficulty turning the combination. So we will now go ahead and flip it to the wrong side. As I'm turning it, no stress, completely zero stress turning it, and also with the help of the hemming gum I applied, once I turn it inwards, it catches with the hemming gum, and with the help of the fact that I ran the thread on top of the gum, everything is just coming out well as expected. Please, if you are getting value for your time here, one of the ways you can support me is by giving this video a thumbs up and also leaving a comment. If you've not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so, and also turn on the notification bell so that when next I upload a video, YouTube will notify you. You can as well click on the thanks under this very video to support me. Then you go ahead and fold the sides of the pocket. I'm actually supposed to do this lastly, but I don't know why I chose to do it now, because I'm still going to raise part of it for me to turn the upper part of this pocket, because the allowance you are looking at the upper part of the pocket is not what I'm going to use to fold it, since that's the curvy part as well. This is the fabric I will use for fancy pleats. So I'll use this as a baseline, then I'll measure 3/4 of an inch. Remember that this is less than 1 inch. It is 3/4 of an inch, or 0.75 inch. After marking it, I use a ruler to join the coordinates. Remember, I'm also marking this on the good side of the fabric. If you must mark this on the good side of the fabric, you must use white colored tailor's chalk, because that's the only tailor's chalk you can easily clean. So we are going to run the threads according to the markings that we've just done. You are sewing off something like 1/8 of an inch. Just bear in mind that the tinier it is, the better. So we are also going to do the same thing on the other side of the lines that we marked. So this is enough for what we need. So I'm going to iron it, and I've just done that. I'll place it this way, run thread round. I'll make sure I run the thread very close to the combination, but not on top of the combination, just in between, in such a way that it will almost be like an invisible threading. You have to run this thread gently. Now you are going to cut off this allowance under. You see why I said I was supposed to fold the edges of the pocket. Lastly, I'll cut off this area. Then I will cut a piece of fabric. Just sew it along the pocket mouth. You are also going to top stitch if you want it to relax very well. Then after that you go ahead and fold your pocket, and your pocket is ready. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly click on the banners showing on your screen right now to watch more of my amazing videos.